We are now in day 3.5, and we are now walking up Catbells.
Catbells.
I'm super duper happy because this is our first mountain walk and it's literally the 4th day because it'll be raining all the other days. This is great!
Look, Emma, can you see where we're going? Cool! How's it going? Yeah, but we've just done a really good climb, haven't we?
Quick news update from the Lake District. Careless climber William Goodhand just slipped over coming down from Catbells, but he seems to be okay. He's just, you can see him up ahead sulking in the distance.
Quick news flash. Daddy, whilst looking at his phone, tripped on nothing and almost broke his ankle. But other than moaning, I think he's alright.
I twisted my ankle, I didn't trip. It's a bit sore.